Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the man in flannel, Valvo. Now last video we talked about some equation basics, but today it's time to get intermediate. Let's go. If you remember from last time, variables oftentimes represent unknowns in equations. In the last video we dealt a lot with substituting a given number in for that variable. So if an unknown all of a sudden becomes known, that's how you plug it in. But pre-K algebra is over. It's time for full-blown kindergarten algebra. And in the garden, you're not just given a number to substitute in for the variable, you have to solve for the variable. So for example, x plus 7 equals 13. We can think of an equation as like balancing two values on a scale. Since we know x plus 7 equals 13, when we put both of them on the scale, they should balance out.